IJELE vow to protest against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu release. No be small thing, no. We don dey call after this IJELE for this particular channel for very long time. IJELE don vow say im go protest against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu release. Last time he said that he is the one who gave the information of arrest of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Is on one of his video. Now he said that he is going to protest against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu release. Yeah, my people, let's go and find out how this intake happen. Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. If this is not the first time where they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. No be small thing, no. We'll quickly jump into the matter where we'll get for hand today. And I know this man where they call IJELE. They say IJELE say Ingo protest so against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu release. Now I come they ask, wetin Mazi Nnamdi Kanu do you? Wetin brother do brother? Now the question why they ask our people, if you have issue with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, why always talking against him on social media at this time? What Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is fighting is not for the freedom of his own family. Everybody must not get things right. Even if you are getting it right, why are you blocking people who is commenting on your comment section? Because those people see that you are not getting it right. That's why they are commenting what you don't like on your comment section, and you are blocking them. So maybe the way you talk when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was broadcasting, maybe you don't like, or you don't like what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is doing. So we should stop fighting ourselves. This is the one, whether you are getting it right or you're getting it wrong. The better we learn how to stop fighting ourselves, is better for Ndi Igbo general. Yeah, my people, let's watch the video together and pay very attentively to this video I'm going to play you now, and you will hear a place where he made that comment where somebody is asking Nnamdi Kanu is going to release on 15th, that he say yes, if that is this is going to organize a protest for that. So I want you to watch the video to the end so that you can be able to get this particular side. While we'll come back, we'll continue. Let's watch the video together.
Yeah, I greet you. See this person, Nasabo. They drive, the person went on the road. They drive, they do. Sad life. Hey, my guys, how are you enjoying the afternoon? I hope we are all fine this wonderful afternoon. I hope we have what good they go. Yeah, guys, welcome. For this spot too, I know like I just left. So my people, how are you all doing this wonderful afternoon? I hope it's moving far. Like I titled it, the people. Tell me, Louis, Auntie Sabu, the people that have been shouting for Biafra. You see them? Honor they see them. Say now nothing yet to Modum Dominic. I see you. Hope Obanye. Well done, Alex Ogua. Anyways, I just wanted to say we don't go get our protest permit, okay? So make them wait for us. We don't go collect the permit. So as it stands, there is nothing else holding it. When I get to where I'm going now, I will make sure the printer of the banner, the graphic designer will be finished before, let's say 3-4. Then we'll put it in print. is maybe to have double mind. For Nnamdi Kanu forget happened the nothing. 15th of December said they go release her. If you don't reach them like that, I think we need to also organize another protest. I want now for Federal High Court to go tell Bintayako say we no come here to play with them. Make sure no just do go on and see force headquarters. See force headquarters here. You know they say our police headquarters. See and the IG office day. So my people, all of the people that have been deceiving them, that they are going to give them Biafra, that they are going to give them Biafra, you not villa, who's a villa? You get schools up for villa. Thank you, my brother. John Omorobe. Like I was saying, we don't go stamp the protest permit. Don't worry, I will share it in the WhatsApp group later. You see, you see the permit, they see the stamp. So make them know say we ready. As for Nnamdi Kanu cause date, no, go still talk to them. Go still talk about that one. We no go for where they tell you say we go let that one go like that. We no go let them slide. Okay. We no go let them slide. So my wonderful people, I just say make I just update on this wonderful platform. I hope you are enjoying your day. I hope all of yours, our weeks have started fine. You say greeting Nasabo for me. Ah, Nasabo, they greet you. They greet you. So my people, show them the city of Abuja again. No, make them they see Abuja. Abuja now for their child's play. I don't know where they see for news. All these rumors where they give on a fake news about Nigeria. See Abuja. See Abuja. So guys, we are going to keep on shining the light of truth. We are not going to bow. We are not going to kowtow to anyone's demand. Neither are we going to be bamboozled into agreeing that what is wrong is right. It's practically impossible. Not gonna happen. Alright? Not gonna happen. So in Bele they touch the end. Anything is able to pronounce person. Especially when they are looking at poison. Even there are UK poison. Anything is a mapa no can on Nigeria. How can happy the body man open do gidi. Anya the chapa hammer. So my people, thank you so much. Thank you so much for being a part of the broadcast. Help me hit the like button and share the short clip. I think it's like 6 minutes. Let me share with friends and families, and they are going to hear from us soonest at the National Assembly. Okay, stay blessed. Bye.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you have watched that video, no be smart, you know. I don't hear what IJELE talk saying go do. You don't talk so many things so when saying go do, and the IJELE no one is here anything concerning Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, but that one my own reason. However, we leave our people who contribute for this matter, and we will leave our own opinion for inside comment section. And make sure say you share this video so that other people go know wetin they go on. Some of these videos we do keep it for history purposes, not for any other thing. You understand? Most of you now will say we are making him more popular. No, people already know this guy. You understand? Because once you are enemy of the people, the other side will know you. Definitely, he have much followers. Those who don't believe in Biafra, the other Nigerians, the Hausas are his followers. So So the people already know him. We are not making him fame, but we are keeping all those things for histories. Those way we are posting the way the one Simon Ekpa, Nnamdi Kanu, Biafra Liberation Army, other people say that's why we are keeping this in for a history purpose, not for any other thing. So guys, share the video so that you also can as well remember that was a time he said something, you go and look for it. Hence this platform still be here. Okay guys, we'll quickly catch you for the next update, and make sure say you follow this page and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.